Hello traders, so welcome to Crypto Trade One. So today video is about how you can get the API keys from your Binance account. So with these API keys, once you share the details, how it is safe as we have only access the trading. So you are only providing us the trading access. So we will go to this once you log into your Binance account, you go to the profile page and there is a API management. So you click on this API management. Once you click into the API management, it will ask you to create a keys. So from this you give the any names, like I will give the test 11 and I will click on a create API. So once I click on a API, it will ask me to confirm the email. So I will send a code for the email confirmation because it is a sensitive information. So they will reconfirm that you are the one who is operating your account. So you get a code into your email, you apply this code and use the Google authenticators again for the second authentication to verify, and it will be in your mobile. So use this code and you click on a submit button. Once you click the submit button, you can see these API keys and secret keys. So you need to share this both the keys, but by default once you open these settings, there will be the two options will be automatically default selections, like enable reading, enable the spot and margin trading. So what information we need is we don't need your transfer or anything like withdrawals, and you just need to click first you click on edit restrictions, you click on enable internal transfer, so we can transfer from your spot account to margin account or either future accounts. You give the access to the enable margin, but you see here that enable margin option is only adjusted after the cross margin account transfer is completed. So currently we have not transferred the amount to the cross margin, so this option is not available. And yes, enable withdrawals only for the IP access restriction, but we are not going to do that one. Enable futures, so we can trade even the enable futures option, so we can even trade a vanilla options, and that's all. These options, once we will show you how to transfer the fund from your spot margin to the other margins, and once it is done, this option will again available. So you click this option, and then later on, once this option is selected, then you click on a save button. Once you click on a save button, it will again ask the confirmation. Then you need to again re-enter the Google authenticators. You enter the Google authenticators and thus edit API success is completed. So once you done, this code will again change. So you need to share this code and this secret keys. Once you share these two keys with us, then we can access your account for only trading purposes. Please keep in mind, you have not selected these options. You have not selected these enable withdrawals. These options you need to select it, and we will show you how to enable these options. So once it is done, then we can even trade in your account, and whatever the profit we are making in our account, you make the same profit in your account. So these are the API keys, and even you can delete all the APIs later on, like you click on delete options and all the API will be deleted. So currently this is the live videos which we are going to post in YouTube, so no one can access our account. We are currently deleting this API key, but this is for the education and training purpose, that how you can create API keys from your account. So once it is done, you have created the APIs, and how to enable the margin transfer, you go to the fiat and spot options from your Binance account from the wallet. And once you click here, in these options you can deposit and you can withdraw. As you know that you can deposit the amount of BTC and you can withdraw the same kind of stuff is there. What we wanted to say that how to transfer the margin, and like suppose we click on a margin trade, and currently there are no any amounts in the margin, and the future trades there is even no margins available into the future trade also. So how to transfer the funds from Yes. So in a top here, the deposit, withdraw and transfer option is available. So what you need to do, once you deposit your spot in a BTC or Tether or whatever the amount you deposit, then you can easily transfer into the cross margin. Suppose fiat you deposited in a BTC, you select the BTC and amount you wanted to transfer. Currently we having the amount this much use maximum amount, so we can directly transfer this amount into the cross margin or either into the future. But if you are allowing us the internal transfer, this transfer we can even do it whenever we wanted to trade. So there are the few things we will confirm first. Currently we will transform this amount into the cross margins. Yes, so the amount transfer is successful. So once the transfer is successful, then you can see your transfer will be there into the margin account. Once you click on the margin, you can see the amount is already transferred to your margins, from your spots to transfer to the margin. And if you want to trade into the future, you can even transfer to the futures. What are the difference between these two markets? Margin, you can get the amount of the margin up to 10x maximum, isolated or cross margin. Cross margin means the fund will can be traded from your BTC again and into the isolated margin. Whatever the trade you apply, it will be your fixed risk. Suppose if I am trading the zero point 0.1 BTC, then if I trade with a 10x leverage, 8x leverage, whatever the leverage if I apply, then maximum liquidate position will remain up to 0.1. If it is, suppose in my wallet, if I am holding the margin amount, I am holding the 1.0 BTC, but once the amount goes into the loss of 0.1, then it will automatically book the loss. So in that condition, suppose if I use the cross margin rather than the isolated margin, what will happen? Just say that if I use the 0.1 for the trade, but if loss goes my more than 0.1, or suppose loss is 0.3, so from my 1 BTC it will automatically reduce the amount to the 0.7 BTC. And the cross margin maximum leverage available 5x only, so it will take the balance from my margin account as well. But in isolated margin, it will your margin will remain isolated. So whatever the amount you put for the trade, that amount will remain only at the risk. Your remaining wallet, margin wallet, will be no any loss into that amount. So suppose if you use for 0.1, then your loss will be 0.1, so your margin will remain 0.9 at all the time. If the position is liquidated, if you trade, if the trade against goes on your buy or sell side, you will not make a loss more than 0.1. So these are the isolated margin and cross margin. But what is the future? In future, the margin is available more than 100x. That is a very risky. You can even trade with the one leverage 1x to up to the maximum 125x leverage. And there are particular coins are available which can be accessed only with 125x margin. And the margin is either you can hold your trade into the sell for indefinite time, and at the same time you can hold your buy position for indefinite time. So for that you must have the USDT balance in your account, because future account can only be traded with the USDT balance, but margin account can be traded with any other spot balance. Why the future account can only be traded with USDT? Because you are holding the position with a higher margin which is not available with any other cryptos to hold, because you are trading with that future. So you must have the USDT balance, and from that USDT balance you can either buy the BTC or either sell the BTC. So whatever the buying and selling it happens, that will be used from your USDT balance. So these are the basic understanding between the margin and futures trades. So we go with another options like how to transfer, that we have already done. So we will again try to do the API management, and we will try to click on a enable option which was not available in a first time. So we will click test 1 again, and we will create a API. We will send a code to the email, and yes, we received a code 764158, and we'll take the Google Authenticator. to save on it, and we click on a submit. So this is the key is been created. Now we will put on edit. See, now this enable margin option is available now. Previously it was not available as the fund was not even transferred. Once we transfer the fund, this enable margin option is available. So we will click on that. We will click the enable transfer. We will click on enable futures. Other three options and other two options we won't require. We only click these two options. This option we won't require. This option we won't require, because that one is the very and you should never send anyone to these options, because if you once you do the allow these options, what will happen? Your amount will be transferred. They can withdraw the amount from your Binance account. So be very careful whenever you are sharing your API keys. You should not select these two options. If you are not selecting these two options, then they can only trade in your account, and they can make the if you are trustable, and if you are having the making the good history of the trades, you see the performance, that how they are trading, then only you connect your account and you share your API, and then only it can be tradable to your account. So these are the process that how to set the API key. Once you done, then you save the click on the save. Once again you need to send the Google Authenticator codes finalization. Once you save the process, then yes, you put code again, and yes, it is done now. So you need to share these two API. One is the API key, one is the secret key. These two key you need to share with us, so we can connect your account and you can get the same amount of trading. Remember, these two options you won't need to click, and these options only will be possible once you will transfer your fund from your spot account to the margin account. Once you transfer the fund, it will be immediately this option will be available to click. So we will click delete this API key, because we don't want to access to anyone else currently. And very easy, again we are updating that how to transfer the funds. Like again I am transferring back to the my wallet, and because in a margin I cannot able to withdraw. If the fund is, see that currently there is no fund for the BTC, there are no funds available for the BTC, so I have to go to the margin. Then you can see the fund is available around 0.02 BTC. So we go again transfer here, and we put here the BTC, and we click here the cross margin to this account. So what will happen? Once we click here cross margin to fiat spot, the amount we will again take the maximum amount. Yes, and we confirm. So once we confirm, the margin will be gone from this account, and it will be transferred to the fiat and spot account immediately. So now I can withdraw this fund. So whenever you want to withdraw the fund, you have to transfer again to your fiat and spot, and then only from this account you can withdraw. So this all the withdrawal deposit access will remain with you. You are only giving us the trading access and internal transfer access. So whenever it is required, as per the opportunity, we can use the fund on your margin or future accounts. So we will see now that how the different margin trading is works, and how the future trading happens. So in this trading, there are available in Binance the 5x times leverage. So here you can use maximum 5x, like this ADA Cardano, it available 10x, because if the higher volume, then you can use on a more leverages. So that's all for the margin trade. And there are cross margin, as I told you before, that isolated margin, if you trade and if you place the order, then only the whatever the amount you trade, buy or sell, that particular amount will be only available for the trades, and your loss will be fixed to that particular amount only. Once you use the cross margin, then it can use from your full. Suppose if you are having the 1 BTC and you are trading with that 1 BTC, and this 1 BTC is in your margin wallet, and you are trading with only 0.1. But what happen if your loss goes, because you are trading obviously 5x leverage or sometime 10x leverage, so your loss goes more than 0.1, it will take the loss from your wallet margin. So these are the difference. And isolated margin, it won't take your amount from that, and it will remain that amount always with your whatever the amount you trade, that will remain your fixed loss. So this is the very simple phenomena that we are actually understand today. Now we go with the derivative market in future market. So in this derivative future market, you must have the balance in the USDT. Once you have the balance in USDT, you can trade with a very high leverages. So like the cross margins, can see the leverage can be adjusted till the 125x. Once you do the setting 125x, there will be the high risk confirmation will be there. So what, once I confirm these settings, then my trading will be, and I can even change the setting either cross or isolated. But in future I get the margin more than 10x. If in future I get a margin up to 125x in a future trading, but I must have the USDT balance. So if I don't have the any USDT balance, I can't trade in futures. Or in like in margin, you can have the balance in BTC and you can trade with BTC. You can have the balance in Ethereum, you can trade Ethereum. But into the your futures trades, where it is called derivative trades, where you must have the balance in USDT. So whatever the pairs available, like here the pairs are available, you must have the balance in USDT. All the pairs will be concerned with USDT only. You can see here all are the pairs which is available for the USDT zone. These are the Coinbase is even there. These are all the coins, and regarding the margin for that, yes, these are the coins and these are the available margins for this quarterly. And even yes, there was some error and it was a crash shutdown. Yes, so these are the coins available which are perpetual, and there are the futures are available which will be expired, and there are the futures which are not expired at any time. So we will trade mostly the non-expired product only, so we get a good price in that. And by just simply following these simple methods, you can trade and you can make a good amount of profit. So you should have to understand what are the difference between the margin trade and future trade. Future trade, again we are confirming, you can only trade with the USDT balance, and from that USDT you can trade hedge against the, you can BTC or other pairs, but your balance should be in USDT. In margin trade, you can even trade in BTC, you can even trade in ETH, you can even trade in any other coins available. You won't require to have the balance in USDT. So directly it will be traded with that particular. Suppose if you have the 0.1 BTC, you can trade up to the 1 BTC. But in a futures, you won't require the 0.1 BTC. You have to transfer to that BTC to the US dollar. So 1 BTC you get around $4,800, and once you transfer it, you can trade up to 100 BTC. So just remember, this is a very risky future. With here you can trade only 1 BTC, 10 BTC. So you can trade with a 0.1 balance or 4,800. You can even trade a 10 BTC because 100x margin. And if you use the 125x margin, you can trade 12.5 BTC with only 0.1 BTC. And that BTC you have to sold it and you have to convert into the USD. And then once you convert into the USD, you can directly trade 12.5 BTC either buy or sell side. But if you trade with this much higher margin, only small movement around $100 or $50 movement, your capital will be wiped out because you are trading with a 12.5 BTC. So profit loss will be calculated based on that. Your profit is much higher even, but your loss is even higher. So consider the risk before trading into the margin trade. So we recommended not to go above 5x to or maximum 10x leverage. If it is a good opportunity, you can trade with 10x, or either in a normal condition you should trade with a 5x only. And if it is more capital, then we only use the 1x margin. We don't take any risk either by the margin or future trade. So hope this video is very informative. You can subscribe the channel and you can get the same type of videos into the next update even, God willing.